on pause. It's not on pause. It's not. It's not on pause. I paused it and unpaused it just now. Could you see the charms for the iPad case? My melody charms. I put it on the case. They're on there. If you have any questions in regards to charm, please send me an email. Because right here on the live stream, I am not, you know, showing charms at the moment. Maybe at the end of the stream if I have time, I can show charms. But right now, I have memory of goldfish, so. You're back from driving all over the place. How was it? Sounds tiring. Sanji, Luffy, Vivi, Nami? Who? Who is this One Piece character? You'll see soon. None of those. You're not gonna lie, it was awful. I'm so sorry. Have I done mushroom cases? Yes, I have mushrooms and I have put them on cases. Yes, yes. Is it soft when dry? It's like a little rubbery. It's like eraser material. It's eraser material. Why is it not letting you comment? Because I have subscriber only chat on. Just testing it out. That's why. But it's okay. I see your questions. If you put it in the Q&A, I see them. Yellow. That's the other color. I am lost. I'm so lost. I can go there. This is garbage. This is a clear bag. And this is a tip. Can I do AirPod cases? Of course. I could do any device. Have I done RBD? I don't know what that is. What time is it here? It is 6:20 p.m. It's not Chopper. Tony Chopper. No, it's not the character. Could I do a Venom case? I can do anything, of course. A hot chip thing? Yeah, that'd be cute. I could do anything. Have I done Bad Bunny? Yes, I have. What's my favorite design? Mine. My case. It's always my favorite. Whatever I have at the moment. Running dangerously low on yellow. Oh, actually, I should think about this. No, it's fine. It's fine. I will do what I can. That's what that's called. Frankie, who's up? Nope and nope. Nope and nope. Have I done Hello Kitty before? Yes, I have. You just purchased an auto renewal subscription. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for supporting me and my content. Do I have a favorite movie? Oof, I have a lot of favorite movies. It's a hard question, guys. It's a difficult question. Depends on the genre, depends on the era, depends on everything. You know what I watched on Saturday was when Marnie was there. I liked it. Studio Ghibli movie. Very cute. Gotta say, very cute. Very sad. But, like, not that sad. But good. If you order a case, is there a way to know when you're going to be doing it on the live? So once I email you with the layout and you email me back with your answers to my questions, you can expect me to make your case within that week or the week after that. How do I approach doing a theme I've never done? Well, I start off with looking at the character, if there is a character attached to the theme, and I look at the colors. Start off with colors, and I do start with big charm pieces first, and obviously like the button pins with the character on it.